Environmental Construction Solutions is a division of Landscape Supply. The lineage and the history of Environmental Construction Solutions goes back 60 years.
As a young man in my teens, I was working in erosion control for my father back in the 60s, and I've watched this industry evolve.
Our foundation and our basis of what we know well and what we believe in is the construction industry.
The fact that we had all this background as practitioners was very helpful, and we've selected people from the industry as we've hired them with background, folks that have actually pushed dirt, people that have installed silt fence.
It's tough to beat experience, and our sales reps have been out in the field, they've applied products, they've installed products, they've been on the bidding side of the table.
I've always been a contractor before I came here. So I have I think, a unique perspective because I've actually been out there using the products that we sell.
Because of their experience, they certainly understand the sense of urgency of a project.
If you need me to show up with you on a job site at 5 o'clock or hang out with you till 8, 9 o'clock to see something done, you got that. If I get a phone call at 3 o'clock in the afternoon and an inspector's shown up and they've had some sort of failure, or they've had some sort of runoff or add-on or a change order and needs half a truckload of material on the site that's 2 hours away from my warehouse, you've got it. If they just need one piece of material, one little silk fence roll in a pickup truck and some stakes, I'm driving it myself. That's personal service that you can't get anywhere else.
We have learned over the years that our clients are looking for solutions. They're not looking for products. They're not looking for just price, although price is important, but they want solutions. And where we have a unique advantage is that we have so much experience in how to provide those solutions.
We do want to control all the water runoff. There's many, many, many different solutions for it. And we want to clean it as it goes off, not just allow the water to go through and go off, but actually get cleaned up through the process of going through these different products.
Our business model is to create a solution that is not only financially sustainable, but yet also environmentally sustainable.
If we can give you a solution to help you save a little money or end up with a better project or product in the end, then that's what we're going to do.
We have such a diverse product solution line that we can create packages that will fit almost any need of a construction project.
If we're selling it, we've also installed it, and we have 50 years experience accordingly.
From the design phase to construction to final turnover to the owner, they can be assured that they're getting professional, trustworthy, value-engineered advice.
When it's time for that customer to need that product or that solution, we deliver on our promises.
We try to go see these engineers as much as we can.
I've done 2 engineer lunch and learns where engineers were actually engaged in what we were having to talk about in new technology and some new products that they had never even knew existed.
You know, you're not just calling a store and talking to an automated voice. You know, you're calling a store and talking to someone that can help you.
You get the feel of a small family-run business.
We have a very attractive, very user-friendly footprint for distribution. All of these warehouses are staffed with qualified people that we've developed over the years. In each case, we've got a specialist for fine turf and erosion and sediment control. If necessary, we can get the products to any particular warehouse within a 24-hour period.
It's our duty to make sure that we steward the industry by choosing the solutions that we know are sustainable to Mother Earth for long periods of time.
I've been here long enough to see the passion in this company. Taking care of the customer is what has made me really passionate about this company myself.
We date back 50+ years to being the installer or having to jump out with all the challenges and road building and bridge building and all the government regulations that come along with that, and the weather challenges, and all those things that a construction company faces. We've lived those challenges.
We're in it from beginning to the end. I mean, the very beginning to the very end.
We have a legacy, so to speak, in this industry, and we expect to do well in it.